हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का वेलकम है पीएस क्लासेस में। मैं प्रशांत सर इंग्लिश पेडागॉजी का लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन एंड लर्निंग का 17 क्वेश्चन लेकर के प्रेजेंट हो गया हूं, जो कि एक टॉनिक की समान आपके लिए होगी और इसमें से 2 नंबर पक्का आएगा। तो दोस्तों, आगे बढ़ने से पहले इसे लाइक कर दीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और ज्यादा लोगों में शेयर कर दीजिएगा। अंतिम प्रहार, सी टेट पे वार, ये हम लोगों का नारा है। अब सी टेट को इस बार हमें अच्छे नंबरों से क्या करना है, पास करना है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं, अपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन को लेते हैं। लर्निंग इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रेजुअल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, अ प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्वायरिंग न्यू स्किल एंड नॉलेज, अ स्लो प्रोसेस, अ प्रोसेस ऑफ बिहेवियरल चेंज। चलिए बताइए किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा। महा मैराथन चल रहा है ये पीएस क्लासेस की तरफ से। ऑप्शन सेकंड की तरफ जाएंगे, learning is process of acquiring new skill and knowledge. The next question is that learning a language brings temporary change in person's knowledge, no change in learner's knowledge, permanent change in learner's knowledge and behavior, and none of the above. Tell me guys, बताइए किस ऑप्शन की तरफ चलें महामैराथन के सफर में। ऑप्शन 3 की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा, क्योंकि लर्निंग अ लैंग्वेज ब्रिंग्स परमानेंट चेंज इन लर्नर्स नॉलेज एंड बिहेवियर। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट स्टेट विच इज ट्रू इन कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ लर्निंग। लर्निंग इज अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस, लर्निंग रिजल्ट इन इंक्रीज ऑफ नॉलेज, सुटेबल प्रोफिशिएंसी इंक्रीज ड्यू टू लर्निंग, ऑल ऑफ द एबव। स्टेट विच इज ट्रू इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ लर्निंग। सारे जो आपके कंटेक्स्ट हैं वो सारे सही हैं, इसलिए 4 ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर है, ऑल ऑफ द एबव। फ्रॉम द गिवन फैक्टर्स विच वन मे नॉट अफेक्ट द लर्निंग आउटकम। लर्नर्स एप्टीट्यूड एंड इंटरेस्ट, ये तो इफेक्ट है। टीचर्स पर्सनालिटी एंड कॉम्पिटेंसी, ये भी है। हेल्दी इन्वायरमेंट एट होम, ये भी है। पीयर प्रेशर, ये नहीं है। तो ऑप्शन हमारा जो है 4 is right. Next है Mrs. Gitanjali is a teacher at Blue Bells SR Second School, Gorgian. She teaches academic subject to immigrant children in their native language while gradually adding English instruction. What type of teaching is Mrs. Gitanjali? A bilingual education teacher, a special education teacher, a regular क्लासरूम टीचर, सोर्सेज एजुकेशन टीचर। बताइए दोस्तों किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा। ए ऑप्शन हमारा बिल्कुल सही होता है, बाइलिंगुअल एजुकेशन टीचर, क्योंकि यह 2 भाषाओं का यूज कर रही है। नेक्स्ट है अकॉर्डिंग टू द RTE एक्ट, अ चाइल्ड शुड गेट फ्री compulsory education, should not be subjected to physical punishment or mental harassment. 3. Should acquire knowledge in a child friendly environment, and 4. all of the above. किस ऑप्शन की तरफ चला जाए बताइए। 4 हमारा बिल्कुल सही होता है, ऑल ऑफ द above, क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू द RTE जो एक्ट हमारा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग कहा गया है कि शुड गेट फ्री कंपल्सरी एजुकेशन, शुड नॉट बी सब्जेक्टेड टू फिजिकल पनिशमेंट और मेंटल हरासमेंट, शुड एक्वायर नॉलेज इन अ चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली एनवायरनमेंट। जी दोस्तों, इससे प्रत्येक वर्ष कम से कम 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन आता है, तो पक्का मान के चलिए इस पूरी सीरीज ज्वाइन करते हैं तो आपका लर्निंग एंड एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड, लर्निंग एंड एक्विजिशन से रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रश्न आपका बेकार नहीं जाने वाला है। चलिए दोस्तों बात करते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू LAD is responsible for proficiency in English or any other language. Piaget, Kohler, Watson, Noam Chomsky. Tell me किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा। किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर है। Tell me guys, किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर है। चलिए 7 हमारा है नॉम चॉम्स्की। एस्केप लर्निंग इज बेस्ड ऑन, एस्केप लर्निंग इज बेस्ड ऑन पॉजिटिव रिफोर्समेंट, नेगेटिव रिफोर्समेंट, डिले रिफोर्समेंट, ओमिशन ऑफ रिफोर्समेंट। escape learning is based on सेकेंड ऑप्शन की तरफ हमें जाना पड़ेगा, निगेटिव रिफोर्समेंट। नेक्स्ट है स्टेट विच इज नॉट ट्रू इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ लर्निंग एंड एक्विजिशन। एक्विजिशन इज ए नेचुरल प्रोसेस, learning is a continuous process, learning result in subject proficiency, acquisition help in cognitive abilities। बताइए किस ऑप्शन की तरफ चलना बेटर होगा? स्टेट विच इज नॉट ट्रू इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ लर्निंग एंड एक्विजिशन। इस ऑप्शन को देखिए, एक्विजिशन इज ए नेचुरल प्रोसेस, बिल्कुल सही है। लर्निंग इज ए कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस, इसकी तरफ भी जाना बिल्कुल सही है। लर्निंग रिजल्ट इज सब्जेक्ट प्रोफिशिएंसी, या 4 में एक्विजिशन हेल्प टू कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटीज। टेल मी गाइस किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा, किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना? यहां पर हम देखते हैं तो ये हमारे ऑप्शन के दायरे से बाहर जाता है। वो ऑप्शन हमारे पास है ऑप्शन 4, एक्विजिशन हेल्प टू कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटीज, लर्निंग रिजल्ट इज सब्जेक्ट प्रोफिशिएंसी। नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट which one of the theory based on habit formation say that humans or any creatures give response due to stimulus or humans learn due to stimulus? Classical conditioning, operant conditioning, generalization, adaptation। Tell me guys which option is goes to correct? देखिए यहां पर सुनने की समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। Which one of the theory based on habit formation says that human or any creatures give response due to stimulus or humans learns due to stimulus? यहां पर ए ऑप्शन की तरफ हम जाएंगे, क्लासिकल कंडीशनिंग। नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट the learners children suffer from lack of self esteem when they are not allowed to eat what they want, not able to express their feeling, are not allowed to play with friends, none of the above। none of the above। सेकेंड ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर है, नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस देयर फीलिंग्स। नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट which of the following will help in the best way to learn vocabulary, reading, writing, talking and reading, watching movie? Which of the following will help the best way to learn vocabulary? बताइए। राइटिंग, क्या होगा? राइटिंग। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, अ टीचर इन क्लास सेकेंड shows pictures of some objects and then calls out it names what she is trying through this activity. Make the learning interesting for the child, helping learners to acquire new vocabulary, keep the learners busy, and 4, teach the correct spelling of the word. Teach the correct spelling of the word। बताइएगा इसकी ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा? टेल मी। सेकंड की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा। A teacher in class second shows picture of the some object and then calls out in the same what she is trying through this activity, helping learners to acquire new vocabulary. The next one is that Aarti Saxena of English. Aarti Saxena of English teacher of class 5th always try that her learners should pronounce the words correctly and spell it correctly. Which aspect of vocabulary developed she tries to develop in her learners? Semantic, phonetic cum graphic, या graphic? Tell me guys which one is goes to correct? Second, phonetic। When young learners seem to lose interest in a lesson, the teacher should tell a story or conduct an interesting activity, ask them to sit quietly for some time, allow to go out and play, ask them to sleep for a while. When a young learner seems to lose interest in a lesson, a teacher should tell a story or conduct an interesting activity. Option 1 is goes to correct. Option 1 is goes to correct, my dear? The next one is that the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 has included all-round development of the child as one the aim of education because first it nurtures the physical, mental and emotional aspect of the child. Second, it ensures the every child is a part of workforce, and third, every child grows rapidly between 6 to 14 years, and four, proper health care is essential. Tell me which one is goes to correct. Tell me guys, which one is goes to correct? Option 1 is goes to correct. In nurtures the physical, mental and emotional aspect of the child. The next one is that the teacher do not give the meaning of new words to learners directly because the learners do not like to be given the meaning of words. Second, it prevents learner from the discovering the meaning through puzzling of out using clues. And third, learners already know the meaning of the words. And fourth, vocabulary will not be enriched. तो try to understand इस क्वेश्चन को समझने की कोशिश करिए. The teachers do not give the meaning of new words to learners directly because क्यों नहीं देता है नए वर्ड्स को डायरेक्टली? टीचर नए वर्ड्स को क्यों नहीं देता है? Tell me क्यों नहीं देता गाइस? चलिए देखते हैं. इसमें सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हमें है. इट प्रिवेंट लर्नर्स फ्रॉम डिस्कवरिंग द मीनिंग थ्रू पजलिंग आउट यूजिंग क्लूज. अगर टीचर पहले ही किसी चीज को बता देगा तो जो चाइल्ड है उसको डिस्कवरिंग नहीं करेगा. Which of the following is an instance of non-formal learning? Children learning to cook from their parents, children learning a new game from friends, children learning through correspondence lesson, children learning to draw for their art teacher. Tell me, which one is goes to correct dear? Which one is goes to correct dear? Tell me guys, which one is goes to correct? थर्ड की तरफ जाना बेटर है. चिल्ड्रेन लर्निंग थ्रू करेस्पॉन्डेंस लेशन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट द राइट ऑफ चिल्ड्रेन टू फ्री एंड कंपल्सरी एजुकेशन एक्ट 2009 stimulates the learning should be through activities in a child friendly manner, supported by extra coaching, restricted to scholastic subject, carefully monitored by the frequent testing. Tell me which one is goes to correct. Tell me guys, which one is goes to correct? 20 का 1 करेक्ट है. थ्रू एक्टिविटीज इन अ चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली मैनर. एक बच्चे को जो है फ्रेंडली मैनर में एक्टिविटीज करानी चाहिए. ये राइट कौन सा कहता है? राइट ऑफ चिल्ड्रेन टू फ्री एंड कंपल्सरी एजुकेशन एक्ट 2009. द नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट द सेकेंड लैंग्वेज शुड बी taught थ्रू मदर टंग एंड ट्रांसलेशन यूजिंग द टारगेट लैंग्वेज एज मच एज इट इज पॉसिबल and learner background and talent. Grammar and rules of language. Grammar and rules of language. इसमें सबसे बेटर आपका ऑप्शन जो है, जो सबसे बेटर आता है वो जाता है सेकंड की तरफ. यूजिंग द टारगेट लैंग्वेज एज मच एज इट इज पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू while teaching the learners in their mother tongue at primary level. It is helpful in the intellectual development of the child. It helps children in learning a natural environment. It develops self-confidence in the child. 4. It makes the learning easy. Now once carefully read the question. Which of the following is not true while teaching the learners is their mother tongue at primary level? At primary level. The question has appeared in your screen. Tell me. Tell me which one is goes to correct. Tell me guys. यहाँ पर हमें 4 की तरफ, यहाँ पर हमें 1 की तरफ जाना सबसे बेटर है. It is help in intellectual development of the child. The next one is that reading English a second language means reading aloud, reading for grammar, reading meaning making, decoding of letters and word. Decoding of letters and word. दोस्तों यही सही होगा. Reading English as a second language means decoding of letters and words. Next one is that The most important aspect of an effective language classroom is to provide learners with an opportunity interact, interfere, assess, imitate. Tell me, the most aspect of an effective language classroom is to provide learners with an opportunity. तो किसकी तरफ हमें जाना बेटर है? तो ऑप्शन 1 इज इंटरैक्टेड होना चाहिए क्लास. When language develop in a deliberate and conscious effort, language is on it, honed, brushed up, learned, acquire. Tell me, honed, brushed up, learned, acquire. Tell me, which one is close to correct? Which one is close to correct? Third, learned. The next one is that when language developed in a deliberately and conscious effort, language is, it has also clear. The next, language is not instinctive, social, arbitrary, symbolic. Which one is not? Which one is not? Tell me guys, which one is not? 1. Which one is not? Which one is not? Tell me guys, language is not instinctive, social, arbitrary, symbolic. Tell me. इंस्टिक्टिव नहीं है, सोशल है, आर्बिट्ररी है, सिंबॉलिक है, लेकिन क्या नहीं है? इंस्टिंक्टिव नहीं है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट होम लैंग्वेज इज इन अ नेचुरल वे टॉट, प्रमोटेड, एक्वायर्ड, लर्न्ड. होम लैंग्वेज को इज नेचुरली वे टॉट, promoted, acquired, learnt. Tell me, which one is close to correct? Third, acquired. The next one is, in learning a language, students' talking time should be increased because they use the target language for various purposes. Teacher feels relaxed while students are talking. They enjoy spending time talking with their friends. They can learn correct pronunciation for each other. Tell me, which one is close to correct, guys? Which one is close to correct? The first, we use the target language for various purposes. The next one is that the major objective of teaching English at primary level is using English in different situations of life, speaking English in British accent. Third, scoring good mark in exams. And 4, knowing the grammar of English. Knowing the grammar of English. Tell me. The option first is goes to correct, using English in different situation of life. The next one is that which one of the following is not a language component? Grammar, speech, sound system, manuscript. Which one is not? Which one of the following is not language component? Language component कौन सा नहीं इसमें है? Tell me guys. 4 यहां पर है. 4, manuscript. The next one is that the study of words and their meaning is known as phonetics, syntax, linguistic, semantics. Phonetics, syntax, linguistic, semantic. Tell me, which option is close to correct? Which one is close to correct? The study of words and their meaning is known as semantics होता है. Which one of the following is most important about storytelling? It broadens their knowledge about various authors. It enhances graded pattern and structure. It promoted whole language approaches. It is an effective way of learning vocabulary. Tell me guys, which one is goes to correct? Which one is close to correct? Once again, read carefully. Which one of the following is the most? Which one of the following is the most important about storytelling? Storytelling. आपके सामने क्वेश्चन है, बताइए. Tell me, which one is close to correct? It is an effective way of learning vocabulary. The next one is that when a child learns a language naturally without much practice, it is called language standardization, language adaptation, language learning, language acquisition. Naturally, without practice. 4 option is goes to correct, language acquisition. The 4 option is goes to correct, language acquisition. जीशन, जहां पर नेचुरली की बात होगी, विदाउट प्रैक्टिस की बात होगी, वहां पर होता क्या है माय डियर फ्रेंड? एक्विजिशन होता है। क्या होता है? लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन होता है। अ वर्ड गेट्स इट मीनिंग फ्रॉम डिक्शनरी ओनली, स्पेलिंग फ्रॉम इट्स ओरिजिन, in relation to its context. In relation to its context. Tell me guys, tell me which option is goes to correct? The third, from its origin. The third, from its origin. The next one is that learning to speak in a second language does not involve its pronunciation, culture bound speaking event, theoretical knowledge of a language, second language grammatical knowledge. Tell me. यहाँ पर your option is goes to correct, culturally bound speaking event. My dear friend, आइए समझते हैं आगे. The first generation learners are those who are learning Hindi or first time, learning English for the first time, the first from their family to come to school, and for coming first time to school to seek admission. Listen carefully. The first generation learners are those who are. Carefully read the option. Carefully read the option. Carefully read the option. The option is goes to correct second. Learning English for the first time. The next one is that while learning vocabulary, learners connected one words with it related words and the words which can occur before and after it. What is this technique called? Dictation, note making, collocation, conservation. Tell me which one is goes to correct? Third option, collocation. The next one is that combining of the moment abilities with academics, such as speaking a language, is referred to as cognitive skills, affective skills, motor, perception skill, interaction skill. Tell me which one is goes to correct? Which one is goes to correct, my dear? थर्ड की तरफ जाना बेटर है. मोटर, परसेप्शन स्किल. द नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट active vocabulary consists of words which we use frequently in our daily life, we use occasionally, or difficult, we recognize and understand. Tell me. We use frequently in our daily life is called active vocabulary. The next one is one of the objective of teaching vocabulary is not to be able to use words in different contexts, develop active and passive vocabulary, enable learners to use the dictionary, understand the meaning of words. Tell me. One of the objective of the teaching vocabulary is not. Tell me guys, 50 किसकी तरफ जाना बेटर होगा? तो यहां पर थर्ड ऑप्शन इज वेरी correct. Enable learners to use the dictionary. The next one is that the acquired system or acquisition of a language is the forward skill development, subconscious process of learning, input about process, या self monitoring of the learning. Once again listen please. The acquired system or acquisition of a language is क्या है दोस्तों? स्क्रीन पे आपके ऑप्शन है. टेल मी. Second, subconscious process of learning. The next one is the linguistic Noam Chomsky maintained that every child has an innate language acquisition device, LAT, that he uses phonemes, universal grant, complex word, semantic. Tell me guys, which one is close to correct? यहां पर जो ऑप्शन हमारा होगा यूनिवर्सल ग्रामर. द नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट हु स्ट्रांगली मेंटेन्स दैट लैंग्वेज इज लर्न्ड बाय imitation of stimuli and reinforcement of correct responses. Albert Bandura, Kurt Lewis, टॉल मैन या B.F. स्किनर? टेल मी, B.F. स्किनर. Once again listen your question. Who strongly maintains that language is learned by imitation of the stimuli and reinforcement of correct responses? Tell me, किसने कहा था? कहा था B.F. स्किनर ने. The next one is that a good teacher is one who gives them ample opportunity to learn, gives them useful information, explain concepts and principles, and gives printed notes to students. Tell me guys, which one is correct? A good teacher is one who. कौन हो सकता है एक अच्छा टीचर? इसके बारे में यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आपको ढूंढना है. और gives them ample opportunity to learn. ऐसा अध्यापक जो ज्यादा अवसर देता है बच्चे को किसी चीज को सीखने के लिए, वही गुड टीचर होता है. A Hindi speaking teacher get posted in a primary school which is situated in a remote area of Rajasthan. Since she doesn't know the local language, she faces lot of problems. She should try to get posting to a Hindi speaking area. Focus on the textbook as a source of standards Hindi. Use the child's language as a source while teaching. And 4, encourage the community to learn standard Hindi. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? Which option is goes to correct? The third option is goes to correct. Use the child's language as a source while teaching. The next one is that a teacher of class 3rd realized that vocabulary developed in an important factor in enabling students to become better readers. From the following, which might be a good strategy for vocabulary development? Student underline difficult words from a text and make sentences with them. Student learn to use the context to guess the meaning of new words. Student memorize extensive word list of synonyms and antonyms. Students consult a dictionary whenever they come across new words. तो गाइस आपको समय दिया जाता है. टेल मी, बताइए. मैं समय दे रहा हूं यहां पर. अ टीचर, ध्यान दीजिए. A teacher of class 3rd realizes that vocabulary development is an important factor in enabling students to become better readers. देखिए आपके सामने ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे है और इसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है? 4 option is here on your screen. 4 option is here on your screen. Tell me which one is correct. Tell me guys. The option second is goes to correct. Students learn to use the context to guess the meaning of new words. The next one is that motivation is an important factor in language learning. Is that in class 6 may be done. Memorization and use of necessary vocabulary, systematic analysis and use of structure, use of visual devices and game-like exercise, use of mother tongue as medium. दोस्तों, motivation is an important factor. Motivation is an important factor in language learning. Is that in class 6 maybe क्या होना चाहिए? क्या होना चाहिए? तो यूज ऑफ विजुअल डिवाइसेस एंड गेम लाइक्स एक्सरसाइजेज होनी चाहिए. द नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट फॉर इंग्लिश एज ए सेकेंड लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन पुअर इन्वायरमेंट इज वन वेयर हिंदी मदर टंग इज द लिंगुआ फ्रैंका. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इज used only in the classroom. English is not spoken at home at all. Access to any learning material is unavailable to student. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct for English as a second language? Try to understand. From English as a second language acquisition poor environment is one where. इस वन वेयर क्या हो सकता है ऑप्शन में? तो डियर हमारा जो ऑप्शन जाएगा वो जा रहा है 4 की तरफ. Access to any learning materials is unavailable to student. Second language acquisition is more effective when it is used as basis of discussing grammatical concept. involves periodic revision work by the teacher and student, involves mostly self-study by the students using certain guidelines, and 4, it practiced in situation familiar to student. Tell me, second language acquisition is more effective when it tell me. The 4, it practice in situation familiar to student. The next one is that second language, clear हो गया ये. Next one is the supply comprehensible input in low anxiety situation is the basic of language acquisition. An example would be teacher directed learning in the classroom, collaboration of student in learning situation. Third, homework designed to use parent supported. Fourth, students receive feedback for error correction regularly. Supply comprehensible input in the low anxiety situation is the basis of language acquisition. An example would be dear. सेकेंड की तरफ जाना बेटर है, कोलैबोरेशन ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन द लर्निंग सिचुएशन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन थ्योरी, व्हेन देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ सफिशिएंट इंफॉर्मेशन इन द लैंग्वेज इनपुट, देयर इज अ यूनिवर्सल ग्रामर दैट अप्लाइज टू ऑल colloquial language, modern language, classical language, human language. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? The 4 option is correct, human language. The next one is that vocabulary in the target language should be keep under control, is that graded. This can be done by teachers providing a short list of words that are commonly used, student learning and practicing in the context of real situation. Students write, speak using a graded list of new words, and 4, students read a prescribed book and check a vocabulary quiz. Tell me guys, vocabulary is the target language. Tell me. The second is correct, student learning and practicing in the context of real situation. Generally speaking, the first language is marked by accent and regional expression of the area where students grow up, influenced by the grammar and style of second language, marked by characteristic difficulty in mastering it, marked by the influence of the school environment the child is studying in. To tell me which option is goes to correct. Generally speaking, the first language is. My dear friends, student किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर है? Option is goes to correct. Tell me. 1, marked by accent and regional expression of area where students grow up. The next one is that learners lack confidence. Carefully read. Learners lack confidence to speak in the target language in class where the main language of conversation is the local vernacular. This challenge can be met by allowing students to speak about whatever they can, irrespective of the grammatical errors, enhance their vocabulary and gradually make correction. Second, allowing students to watch English film as motivation practice and drill consisting of useful sentences and vocabulary with regular correction of grammatical errors. And third, insisting on student using only the target language irrespective of the grammatical errors, enhance their vocabulary with regular feedbacks on their performance. And 4, instructing them to speak slowly and self-correct grammatical errors, enhance their vocabulary with a list. Which one is goes to correct guys? देखिए which one is goes to correct, किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा, किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा. आपके स्क्रीन पे ऑप्शन दिख रहा है, आपकी स्क्रीन पर ऑप्शन दिख रहा है, देख सकते हैं. लर्नर्स लाइक कॉन्फिडेंस रिलेटेड है. The option is goes to correct. Third, insisting on students using only the target language irrespective of the grammatical errors, enhance their vocabulary with regular feedback on their performance. The next one is that language learning is better achieved in what student learn, is functional in terms of their life values and goals, is in a controlled classroom environment, is closer in form and sound to their mother tongue, help them improve their chances of college admission. Tell me guys which option is goes to correct. First, in functional term of their life values and goals. Tell me guys, यहाँ पर जो ऑप्शन हमारा सही होता है वो जाता है लैंग्वेज लर्निंग इज बेटर अचीव्ड इन व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स लर्न इज ए फंक्शनल टर्म्स ऑफ देयर लाइफ वैल्यूज एंड गोल। क्लियर हो गया? तो 41 का माय डियर फर्स्ट होता है। और सेकंड देखते हैं यहाँ पर, प्रोवाइडिंग स्टूडेंट कैन इनकरेज सेकेंड लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन, फ्रिक्वेंट feedback on spoken and written output in informal interview, adequate speaking and writing assignment, and 4 the opportunity to voice their opinion and to solve problem in the target language। मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ, लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा लोगों में शेयर करें। ये महा मैराथन चल रहा है किसका? लर्निंग एंड एक्विजिशन का। इससे 2 नंबर पक्का है। एक टॉनिक है आपके लिए, प्रोवाइडिंग स्टूडेंट कैन इनकरेज सेकेंड लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन। जी दोस्तों, आपको बताना है किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर है, किस ऑप्शन की तरफ। तो ऑप्शन हमारा जो सही होता है 4 द अपॉर्चुनिटी to voice their opinions and to solve problem in the target language. The next one is that language learners learn to do by doing which activities supported this observation. Opportunities to practice as it helps with habit formation, encourage the use of their mother tongue to promote better understanding of the meaning of prescribed text, go from concrete to abstract, and 4 the teacher models the writing and speaking styles which learners copy. Which one is goes to correct, my dear? Which one is goes to correct, my dear friend and students? Tell me. किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा? किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा? इसके पहले आपने इस क्वेश्चन को देखा, किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा? चलिए आपके लिए फटाफट बताइए। यहाँ पे ऑप्शन 1 अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्रैक्टिस एज इट हेल्प विथ हैबिट फॉर्मेशन, लर्निंग अ न्यू नॉलेज, लर्निंग अ न्यू लैंग्वेज आफ्टर subtlety leads to a foreign language, difficulty and acquisition, normal acquisition, greater mastery, loss of mastery. Listen please, learning a new language after puberty lead to a foreign language, cited February 2014 में आया है। Tell me which option is goes to correct? First, difficulty in acquisition. The next one is children deserve most of the credit for the language that they acquire. This observation implies that in modern classroom, students pursue their own lines of inquiry. Students need not attend L2 classes. Students may choose L2 on their own. The teacher establishes the task and supported or facilitates learning. Tell me guys, tell me which one is goes to correct? Which one is goes to correct? The option 1 is goes to correct. Students pursue their own lines of inquiry. The next one is that which learning domain constitutes higher underthinking, remembering, understanding, application, evaluation. Tell me guys, which one is goes to correct? Which one is goes to correct? Which learning domains constitutes higher order thinking? Higher order thinking, इसे ध्यान सुन लीजिए। Which learning domains constitute higher order thinking? किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा? Third, application. The next one is that the process of words formation consists of compounding and affixes, opposite and meaning, verb and nouns, using synonyms or euphemism. using synonyms or euphemism? Tell me. The first one is correct, compounding and prefixes. The next one is that which observation supports Noam Chomsky's ideas about language acquisition? Children's language developed follows and similar pattern across cultures. The stage of language developed occur at about the same goes in the most children, and children acquire language quickly and effortlessly about the same age in most children. All of the above. नॉम चॉम्स्की का ये है, और इसमें किस ऑप्शन की तरफ ज़्यादा बेटर होगा? तो फर्स्ट, children's language development follows a similar pattern across a culture. The next one is that when children first start to speak in sentences, their speech may be described as multilingual, except babbling, exceptionally telegraphic. Tell me. जब बच्चा जो है, when the children first start to speak sentences, their speech may be described as. Tell me. When children first start to speak in sentences, their speech may be described as multilingual, babbling, exceptionally telegraphic. किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर है? तो बेटर है सेकेंड, बैबलिंग. बच्चा सबसे पहले बैबलिंग करता है, यू आई की आवाज निकालता है. नॉम चॉम्स्की रेफर्स टू डीप स्ट्रक्चर्स मीन अ universal grammar underlying all language and corresponding to an innate capacity of the human brain, hidden set of grammatical rules learned through intensive study and transformational grammar that had led in turn to increase interest in comparative linguistics, and for a trend that English is the most common auxiliary language in words. जब नॉम चॉम्स्की की बात आ जाए, जब किसकी बात आ जाए? नॉम चॉम्स्की की बात आ जाए, तो वहां पर इनेट को वरीयता देते हैं, इनेट कैपेसिटी ऑफ द ह्यूमन ब्रेन, की मानव के अंदर ऐसी शक्ति होती है कि वो स्वयं सीखने लगता है. क्या करने लगता है? स्वयं वह सीखने की क्षमता रखता है दोस्तों. ठीक है, स्वयं वो सीखने की क्या रखता है? तो उसके पास क्षमता होती है और वो सीख सकता है. आपने समझने की कोशिश की, क्वेश्चन क्या था एक बार और देख लीजिए. नॉम चॉम्स्की रेफर्स टू डीप स्ट्रक्चरल मीन्स. डीप स्ट्रक्चरल मीन्स को आपको समझना था, और इसमें आपने समझने की कोशिश की. तो यूनिवर्सल ग्रामर अंडरलाइंग and corresponding to innate capacity of the human brain. दोस्तों, इसी की तरफ जाना हमें बेटर लग रहा है और बेटर है. The next one is that according to NCERT 2005, learning of English aims to enable knowledge acquisition through literary, and it develops into a instrument of abstract thought. Second, to sum the language that a child acquires naturally from his home and society environment. And third, to introduce standard sign language in English to children, for children with language related impairment. And four, to provide adequate facilities at a state level for instruction in English at the primary stage of education. According to NCERT 2005, learning of English aim. Learning of English aim क्या है? इसे आपको बताना है. बताइए. 4 यहाँ पे बेटर है. To provide adequate facilities at the state level for instruction in English at the primary stage of education. The next one is that what is taught in not what is learned, because a teacher or learner can never fully master any discipline. Student may attention during formal discussion. A teacher's socio-economic level may differ widely from the students. Student possess different abilities, personalities, and come from a variety of background. तो अगर हम बात करें यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में, तो आप बड़े बारीकी से समझने की कोशिश करिए कि व्हाट इज taught इन नॉट व्हाट इज लर्नड, बिकॉज इसमें हमें 4 ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर लग रहा है. किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना? 4 ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर है। स्टूडेंट possesses different abilities, personalities and come from a variety of background. The next one is that the process of word formation consists of spelling and compounding, using synonyms and euphemism, compounding and conversion and meaning. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? Which option is goes to correct? थर्ड की तरफ जाना बेटर है, compounding and converging. When students learn a language for bright employment opportunities, their motivation is eccentric, extrinsic, intrinsic, exotic. Tell me, which option is goes to correct dear? डियर लाइक सब्सक्राइब करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में शेयर करें। पीएस क्लासेस आपके लिए महामैराथन ये चला रहा है। अंतिम प्रहार सीटेट पे वार का नारा है। टेल मी गाइस, किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर होगा? थर्ड, intrinsic. The next one is that language acquisition requires the memorization and use of the necessary vocabulary, involves a systematic approach to the analysis and comprehension of grammar as well as to the memorize of vocabulary, refers to the process of learning a native or second language because of the innate capacity of the human brain, and is technique intended to simulate the environment in which children learn their native language. Tell me guys, देखिए लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन के बारे में यहाँ पर आपको बताना है। Which option is goes to correct? Which option is goes to correct? Thirds, refer to process of learning a native or a second language because of the innate capacity of human brain. The next one is that the main responsibility of a language teacher as a facilitator is to create a number of opportunity for the learners to use the language meaningfully, to provide a lot of information, make the learners listen to it, to strictly control the class and to cover the syllabus in the quick time, to read the lessons aloud and provide explanation for each lines. The option first is goes to correct. Create a number of opportunity for the learners to use language meaningfully. मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी यही टीचर की होती है कि बच्चे के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अवसर उपलब्ध कराना, जिससे बच्चा जो है मीनिंगफुल तरीके से सेंटेंस को समझ सके। ओके फ्रेंड्स, चलिए अगला क्वेश्चन लेते हैं। लैंग्वेज लर्निंग, लैंग्वेज इज क्या है? लैंग्वेज लर्निंग क्या है आपको बताना है। लैंग्वेज लर्निंग क्या है? ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस है कि ये जो है फर्स्ट प्रोसेस है, इंस्टेंट प्रोसेस है एंड एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोसेस है? टेल मी गाइस, चलिए बताइए। टेल मी गाइस, किस ऑप्शन की तरफ जाना बेटर है? टेल मी, लर्निंग अ लैंग्वेज इज क्या है? टेल मी। फर्स्ट, ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस। तो ये दोस्तों एक महामैराथन का मैंने वीडियो आपके डिमांड पर बनाया और आप जो है फर्स्ट लेसन आपका जो है लैंग्वेज लर्निंग एंड एक्विजिशन, उसको अच्छे तरीके से स्टडी करने के बाद इस प्रैक्टिस सेट को अगर आप कर लेते हैं तो ये टॉनिक श्रृंखला आपके कम से कम 2 नंबर में काम कर जाएगी और आपका 2 नंबर आपके पासिंग के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। तो दोस्तों फिर अगला जो है मैराथन लेकर मैं बहुत जल्द प्रेजेंट हो रहा हूं, तो इसे लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में शेयर करिए। ऐसी वीडियो पाने के लिए राइट साइड में बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दीजिए। लाइक करना बिल्कुल मत भूलें। एंड तक वीडियो आपने देखा, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।